Okay guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we're fishing for wiper.
Not just wiper.
Well, fish, wiper, catfish. I'm just kidding. Everything we can catch here.
Look at this bluegill, boy.
There's a fat bluegill. That's one thick. I caught my first wiper of the day, so I'm super excited.
Yes, next wiper I keep on grilling.
Yeah. I might have to get these guys on a wiper if I can start catching them more. Guys, I've not even caught a big bass. I can't. My parents don't have time. 5 hours? Holy crap, okay. Guys, after I pay off my debt for my fly rod, tell me if I should get a boat. Like a little boat like that. Freaking sick. And same thing. Okay, let's see if we can get a bite. I already got a bite, guys. So you know we're on a good, oh my. I have to turn to go grab more mussel. Mussels are so hard to freaking hook on. They either don't want to hook, or they either, like, I don't know. So annoying. I'm not talking about you. Mussels. Hate putting mussels on a freaking hook. Dude, guys, I actually might buy like a little inflatable boat that you see advertised at like Walmart. Dude, I'm sick. Oh, I've seen those, yeah. Anything? Ooh, I just got a bite. Just had a huge bite.
Dude, that wiper might have been the wiper that's been pulling my rod. Oh, God.
Okay, guys, I might not even have a fish. I still have my bait, though. I do not have a fish, but I still have my bait. Oh, that was a horrible cast. Okay. Oh, I missed it. They're catching stuff left and right. I'm not doing nothing. Oh. Nah, I want to catch some wiper. I'm gonna dump all that clam juice in here.
Dude, swallow this thing full. I know, I hate it.
Dude, it looks so nice. Oh my gosh, look at that tiny mussel. Oh, let's put it on. He's on his kayak in the middle. Kind of jealous. Guys, comment down below your favorite pond to fish at. Mine's probably Steeds. I love my original pond. No matter if I can or can't catch a fish. I just wash my hands off. Believe it or not, clams are sticky.
Yeah, you didn't know they're sticky.
Oh yeah, they're sticky things.
Bro, that stupid bluegill.
Whoo! I missed it again.
Josh,
Yeah?
will you trade me rods? Give me my rod and I'll give you the pinky.
Nah.
I'll rig it back up.
If you rig it, I'll give it to you. There we go. Got the good cast out. I don't know. I just need a new leader. I didn't feel like re-rigging it, Brock. is?
This one?
Oh, guess what that is?
It's a bluegill. Let's go.
What's that?
Darn it.
It's a fat little bluegill. Dude, I'm telling you, I've been catching so many bluegill today. Good.
Hey, I wanted to, all my life I wanted to fly fish, and I've always been afraid to try it. Yeah, I want to look at your rod. Can you find this thing?
Oh, someone's looking at, learning how to fly fish. Whew. Whew.
Dude, we got 2 days.
Oh.
Starting in the fourth one up here, so we're just about 3.
Shush, that's shush. Guys, there's so many there's so many people playing music at the pond. See what else we can get. Yeah. Mine comes with it was like 100.
So this is called wild water fly fishing. Okay. Well, thank you guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a try.
Yeah, mine comes with the case and it has a leader and stuff.
Here,
Yeah, and then there's some flies that comes with it.
you're using a cane pole.
Oh no, that's my case right there.
And yours is a wild water.
Mine is the wild water.
So is that at Walmart?
No, I got mine off Amazon.
Okay. Hey, thank you guys.
Welcome.
I'm gonna give it a shot.
Hey, it's fun, trust me.
It is, well, fly fishing is great, but I've always been afraid to try it.
What's it? Yeah.
What kind of fly?
Okay.
What does this fly look like?
Oh, we're not using flies. We're using worms.
Okay. So are you using worms?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, thank you guys.
Welcome. Sorry, guys. We have to rip open another case of worms. Things. Broccoli.
They cook this. I won't look it open.
Yeah, well.
Whatever you do, post that. My mom says I'm not so nice to her. So, can I talk to somebody else?
Post the video? Okay. I got you.
We're done, cuz.
I'll be surprised if people eat this stuff. Can you help?
I got it, I think. Guys, I'm struggling to rip open this case.
Very.
I'll
get it.
I got it, Brock. I got it, Brock.
No, you don't.
Brock.
Cash.
Brock, I got the... David.
Special David.
Hey! That's mean.
What does it mean?
Cold.
It's special in your own way. Like, you can fly fish better than Cash.
Be quiet. He got $100.50 lessons.
Wait, what?
$100.
Yeah, that's unfair. I call Cash. Sorry, a little bit now.
No, I am kind of self.
Kind of.
I spent 4
I'm self-taught too, buds. So,
Ready, guys? We're gonna get that juice flowing. What the? What the?
Oh,
What the crap, David?
he's seen it.
David, what the crap?
From sus,
David.
David. I don't like sus.
sus.
Ever said
Sus.
I do. Sus. Baka.
Here you go. Take the rod. I want the
Okay, guys. We got a different rod because he wanted his rod back. This one will give us better of a fight, though, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, it will.
No, it won't.
Yeah, it has lighter line.
Yeah, it's like 6 pounds. The other one has like 15. I might go with the bait cast or something.
Dude, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna, like, cast out there. Ooh, that's way smoother in general, too. Come on, guys. Let's even get another wiper. No, I had something. I just want to see if I can save my bait. I can save it. Guys, it always brings me joy when I can just save my bait.
Isn't it all?
Isn't it all?
I don't know what I'm saying about.
You guys see that? I had something and then it got off. Oh, I still have my bait though. Yippee!
That's something.
Let's fix the bait, guys.
Okay, man.
There we go. Hey, why are you pushing on me? Back up! Back up!
Just catching fish, totally. Me? Oh no, I really.
Back up! I'm serious.
Okay, good.
That's my spot. Guys, this is my special spot, and he's trying to steal it because I can actually catch fish.
There's not much room.
What are you using?
Same as you.
Oh!
Scoot down.
You know what? That's fine.
Josh.
It's fine. I'll just come over if I get a fish.
Oh. He's got a bite.
Nah, that's me. Yeah, I knows what I knows.
Yeah, you can use this if you want. I'm using my bait caster. Sheets. She got
He's got to pull out his special bait caster for the special people, aka him. Guys, I hope this video is actually entertaining. I hope it's entertaining.
Yeah, one day.
Ah! Guys, you guys are giving me bad luck. Yes, you guys on my chest. You're giving me bad luck. There was no accident. Bruh, this kid's being a clown. We're gonna try to get one wiper and then we'll end the video.
265.
No, not that much.
Dude, he's
Guys, don't fast shame. It's not nice. Oh,
that bite?
I have one. It's a tiny one though.
No, bro.
Ah,
Supposed to be a private, not a trout. You said it was a wiper.
I said it was a tiny one.
Tiny one. It made it seem like it was a wiper too.
Wiper is big.
All of them.
Most of them. Oh, guys, look at that. Some bird of prey must have got him.
Or you slit his throat when trying to catch him.
No, I did not slit his throat. How dare you say that?
There you go. It's just
I can't use my clams anymore. Ah, you can't use my muscles anymore.
And you can't use my rod anymore.
Fine, you can use my muscles.
Yeah, I'll go there. Go there. Josh, we can eat the both.
I don't want to.
It was the last thing on Earth.
Huh?
The last thing on earth.
Yeah, if it was the last food on Earth, I'd probably go fishing with it.
No,
Ah!
you use it to catch the fish.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Or I could use worms to catch fish. If there's ever a day that we actually like run out of food on this earth, that would be freaking wild. Oh my, that was too close.
Josh, can you make money on YouTube video?
No, what do you think? I'm that good? I'm not that good. Bro, what did I say?
Okay. Dude, calm down.
Guys, I'm.
Look at you, Bill.
Hmm.
Just a fish. We're just fishing. It's not like we're in a fight ring. It's okay. Yeah.
Oh, David is out fishing you.
Shut it. No, he's not.
Guys, David's out fishing everyone today. He's our star guy. That might be okay. I don't know. Let's see. Whoa!
Wiper.
Oh, guys, this is a huge fight. Oh, mine is. Look at that. That's a. What is that? Oh, that's a big one. Ah, that's a big one. He freaking pulled me, guys.
Whoa.
Me?
Me?
Yes, you.
Oh, because it's a wiper, bro.
It's a wiper, bro.
You know this too.
When me and Landon catch bass, we yell, "It's a bass!" I mean, when we catch fish, every fish we say, "It's a bass!"
But that's a wiper.
I know, but it would be funny.
Hey, can you hand me a... Do you need help?
I got it.
Not the...
Ah, yes, it will. Guys, I'm gonna.
Move your fat right on the way. Can I grab the can?
Oh, did he really? He just broke your hook. Oh
Nice.
my,
Good boy, bro.
dude, that's how strong this man is.
What's in the... People are so scared to hold them from their mouths. I don't know why.
And they have some teeth. Not that good of teethies.
If it's a blue, go hold... Oh! Here.
I'm gonna let him get some water in his gills. Oh, he pulled the hook out for himself.
If it's a bluegill, then you have to use it, hold it from its mouth.
I want a picture with you. I want a picture with you guys, but
Dude, the spike's full.
I want to get a good clip of this man.
Dude, it will...
Dude, look at that thing.
Nice.
Hey guys, let's go get a good release shot of him. See you later, bro.
That's not a really good release,
Can you just go? Yeah. There we go.
but... Yeah, an underwater camera, bro.
Dude, that'd be so sick. I need to get my GoPro working.
See, like, where
My GoPro broke again for the 50th time. It was a bass. It's a bass. Guys, that wiper freaking broke my hook. Huh. Let's steal something from him.
Are you... Don't use that little one.
These ones?
Other side, flip it around.
Whoa, what is this thing?
What thing?
This is so fancy. Guys, he's the fancy hooks.
Fancy hook, fancy holder, bro.
Well, yeah, but these are fancy hooks.
Oh.
I tie on my hooks all the time.
Yeah,
These
I
ones.
can't find any hooks that do that, so...
Oh,
Dude, watch your money, bro, David.
are you in my spot? Are you in my spot, mans?
It is a bluegill. Yeah. You have to hold it from its mouth.
Why?
Guys, that's the tradition. Oh my gosh, and for bluegill.
No, you do it for sunfish, not bluegill. Guys, comment down below. Do you lip your bluegill?
I do, bro. It's
I
so
lip the
fun.
big ones, but not like
Yeah,
that.
big ones, small ones. Yeah. But he got a big one, bro. He has to lip it.
Nah. Dude, look at that. The
Oh,
hook is
small
just
mouth.
gone.
Probably have months now.
Whew.
There we go. Goodbye. You're welcome. I don't hold you anymore.
Well,
You don't feel pain when they do that.
1 second, guys. Look at this wiper. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll probably film some more here if I can keep catching stuff. See you guys later. Have a good day.